Welcome to our latest decor ideas YouTube channel. In this captivating video, we dive deep into wooden chair designs latest ideas 2023. And make sure to watch until the end as we have a special surprise that you won't want to miss. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. We love hearing from you, so feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, and suggestions in the comment section below. The importance of wooden chair designs extends beyond their functional purpose of providing seating. Wooden chairs have been an integral part of human history, culture, and interior design for centuries. Here are several reasons highlighting the significance of wooden chair designs, in which number one is aesthetics and visual appeal. Wooden chairs possess a timeless and natural beauty that can enhance the overall aesthetics of any space. They bring warmth, texture, and a touch of elegance to both traditional and contemporary settings. The craftsmanship and intricate details in wooden chair designs showcase the skill and artistry of the furniture makers, making them visually appealing and often considered works of art. And number two is durability and longevity. Wood is known for its strength and durability, making it an excellent choice for chair construction. Well-built wooden chairs can withstand the test of time, providing years of reliable use. With proper use, they can retain their structural integrity and beauty, often becoming cherished heirlooms passed down through generations. And which number three is versatility and adaptability. Wooden chairs come in a wide range of designs, styles, and finishes, often versatility to suit various interior themes and preferences. From rustic farmhouse to sleek modern designs, wooden chairs can seamlessly integrate into different decorative schemes, making them a versatile choice for any space, whether it can be a dining room, office, or living area. Number four is comfort and ergonomics. Wooden chairs can be designed with ergonomic considerations, ensuring optimal comfort for the user. Ergonomically shaped seats and backrests provide proper support to promote good posture and reduce discomfort during prolonged sitting. Additionally, wooden chairs can be customized with cushions or upholstery to enhance comfort without compromising on this aesthetic appeal. And number five is sustainability and environmental benefits. Wood is a renewable and sustainable material when sourced responsibly. Wooden chairs come in a variety of designs, each showcasing unique characteristics and styles. Here are a few popular wooden chair designs, in which Windsor chair. The Windsor chair features a solid wooden seat with a backrest consisting of multiple spindles or rods that are steam panned and attached to the seat. This classic design has a timeless appeal and is known for its comfort and durability. Bentwood chair. Bentwood chairs are crafted by bending strips of wood using steam or hot water, creating elegant curves and fluid shapes. These chairs often have a lightweight and airy feel, making them a popular choice for modern and contemporary spaces. Crossback chairs, also known as X-back chairs, have a distinctive crisscross patterns on the backrest. I hope you like this video and will love hearing from you. So feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, and suggestions in the comments section below. And thank you for joining us on this exciting journey of exploration and discovery. Let's dive right in and uncover the wonders of wooden chairs' latest ideas. Thank you.